Hey everyone, welcome back to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you unbiased review on the portal balsara.com. So if you are curious to know about to check out the legitimacy of this portal, watch the video till then. This website is United States online portal that offers many useful household things at different prices. They have kitchen tools like a solar cooler, kitchen closets, and furniture like floatable sofa, shoe cabinets, foldable wireless stands, foldable desks, bumper boats. They also have bicycles, scooters for kids, and guitars with different colors and prices. They claim that all the products manufacturing with good quality material and prices range is highly reasonable. So let's check out the specification of this website. It is an e-commerce site that deals with various products. HTTPS website. The email address which they have mentioned on their official portal is not matching the domain name, which can be a red alert. Moreover, they have not mentioned their contact detail. They have mentioned their physical address, but it is a merely street address. As far as payment method is concerned, there are different payment methods like PayPal, Visa card, Mastercard, American Express, and Discover. They are accepting. They can deliver the product within 10 to 20 business days. As far as exchange policy is concerned, the exchange is available, but if the tag is discarded, it won't be accepted. And if you want to return the product, you have 14 days. You are supposed to return the product within 14 days of your purchase. The positive sign of this online portal are their connection is protected and secured by HTTPS protocol. Exchange of product is available but with tags. The demerits of this portal are no product reviews are reviews about the website itself. Physical addresses and email addresses both are invalid. Low trust index score. Social media accounts are not valid. As a customer, your main concern is about the legitimacy of the website. So we are going to share the details. As we have discussed, the website was created not more than 11 days ago. It was registered on 9th August 2021. Trust score is just 1%. We are unfortunate to find any lecture ranking regarding this portal. As the website is very new, it does not have any reviews of its website or the products. Content is plagiarized up to 92%. There seems to be no information available regarding their brand and company. The physical address which they have mentioned is just a street address, not a real address, and we are unfortunate to find their social media presence at all. So only two products of the website have people's review. There are only positive reviews that will make us suspicious about the website. People write about sofa and true ranks only. But when we check out the social media platform of the site, we could not found any social media account related to this website. So this website cannot be trusted, and we are not recommending you at all to buy anything from this store. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please do share your personal experience with us. How was your experience? Write about your experience in the comment box. We love to hear from you.